I'm Mary Alexander from Home Instead Senior Care. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose a certified aging in place specialist. Now I'm going to talk about some financing options for aging in place modifications. In general, there are two types of funding to pay for remodeling of your parents' home: private and public. The most likely source of private funds are their own. Perhaps they have enough savings to cover the renovations, or a home equity loan might be a good source of funds, especially if they have sufficient income to cover monthly payments, versus just taking out all of the cash from their savings. Another option is a reverse mortgage, which could also free up funds to pay for other services such as in-home care. It's best to check with your parents' financial advisor before making a determination on which of these options might be best for them. Sometimes home modifications can be prescribed by your parents' doctor. If that's the case, get the prescription in writing and your parents may be able to claim a medical deduction on their federal income tax return. On the same note, check with your parents' private health insurance company to see if they will pay for the modification. Show them the prescription from the doctor or physical therapist. If the insurance company says no, getting a written letter of denial is suggested. Other private funding options include contributions, donations, and in-kind work from family members, community service groups, churches, or other nonprofit organizations. Be sure to check with your parents' local senior center or council on aging for possible referrals. The other funding option is public sources, which are normally income and needs-based. Funds may be available for home modification under the Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services Waiver. Another option is to call your local Social Security office to see if any of the equipment your parents need might be covered under Medicare. Or, if either of your parents is a veteran, contact the local VA to see if funding is available through that agency. Many states and communities also offer home modification programs to help some homeowners pay for necessary changes. Local community development or social services agencies usually administer these programs, so contact your parents' town or city hall for information. Some of these community programs have carpenters, plumbers, electricians, and painters on staff to do the work. Other programs furnish free labor and the homeowner purchases the necessary material. Low interest or no interest loans, usually not repayable until the homeowner sells or leaves the home, are offered by other programs. Some programs simply provide a list of reliable contractors and assist in the process of receiving bids, selecting the contractor, developing a contract, and ensuring that the work is performed in accordance with the contract. As you can see, there are certainly a lot of options out there. It's wise to help your parents do their homework before committing to any aging in place or other home improvement project. Doing so could save your parents valuable dollars, all while making their house a place where they'll be able to call home for a lifetime.